Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see data stored on iCloud. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go through the settings. And here on the settings, just simply select your account at the top or your name. And now from here, you should be able to see here iCloud. So just simply select iCloud over here, guys. And now, in order for you to see data stored on your iCloud, you can just simply select this one at the top over here. And from here, guys, you should be able to see the list of data that is being taken on your iCloud. And you can just simply select one of them. And now, as you can see, I have a 143 photos and 62 videos. So in order for you to see that, just simply open up a Safari and go to iCloud.com, guys. And from here, just simply go ahead and sign in into your account. And now, once you are signed in, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here photos and you should be able to see here your data. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.